Writing an inequality given its graph in the plane, horizontal or vertical boundary line. Write an inequality for the graph below. So I need to write a symbolic inequality using x's and y's that describe this graph here. So if I look at my boundary line, it's a horizontal, perfectly horizontal line. And I know if I have a graph and my line is either perfectly horizontal or perfectly vertical, that my corresponding equation is going to be x equals something or y equals something. But it'll only have an x or only have a y, but not both, okay? Since this line, this boundary line, crosses my y-axis, I know that the corresponding equation is going to be y equals something. And since it crosses at 4, that equation is y equals 4 of that boundary line. But they don't want an equation, they want an inequality. Okay, so now I need to switch out this equal sign for an inequality symbol that will incorporate the dashed line and the shading in the graph as well. So the fact that I have a dashed line means that my inequality symbol is going to be either strictly less than or strictly greater than. I use a solid line if I have the equal to as part of my inequality. But since this is dashed, I know I'm going to substitute up in here either strictly less than or strictly greater than without the equal to symbol below. And then I look at my shading to decide which. So since this has been shaded below that horizontal line, I'm going to substitute in the less than. Okay, I shaded below or less than the 4. And that's it. Final answer, y is less than 4.